Imagine searching for something and getting instant, personalized answers, no ads, no links, no fluff. This is the future of AI, and it might kill Google search as we know it. Why Google is in trouble? For over 2 decades, Google has owned the search game. But with AI like ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity AI, users are skipping the links entirely. They want answers, not pages. What's already happening? Perplexity AI is offering search plus conversation plus sources in one clean interface. ChatGPT's new browsing mode lets you search live websites. And tools like U.com or Brave AI are integrating direct results with summaries. The shift in user behavior. People aren't Googling best running shoes anymore. They're asking AI, which running shoes are best for trail and wide feet? AI gives you the best picks in your context, without needing to scroll 20 pages. Google's response. Google knows it. That's why they launched Gemini, their AI answer engine. But it's still clunky, slow, and doesn't integrate as smoothly as OpenAI or Perplexity yet. The future. In the next 2 years, we'll see AI-first search engines dominate. Ads getting replaced by personalized AI suggestions. Final thought. Google isn't dying overnight. But how we search is changing forever. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, this is the place to be. Subscribe, we break this down daily.